Do you have a big family?
Yes, I do. I have two brothers and one sister.
Are you close to them?
Yes, we talk every day.
Who do you live with?
I live with my parents.
What do your parents do?
My father is a teacher.
And your mother?
She works at a hospital.
What school do you go to?
I go to Sunrise High School.
What grade are you in?
I'm in my final year.
What subject do you like most?
I like English the most.
Why do you like it?
It's fun and useful.
Do you study a lot?
Yes, especially before exams.
Where do you work?
I work at a small cafe.
What do you do there?
I serve customers and make coffee.
Do you like your job?
Yes, it's busy but fun.
Who do you work with?
I work with friendly people.
That sounds nice.
It really is.
What do you do in your free time?
I like reading and walking.
What kind of books?
Mostly stories and novels.
Do you like sports?
A little. I enjoy swimming.
How often do you swim?
Twice a week.
That sounds relaxing.
It helps me feel calm.
What are you doing this weekend?
I plan to visit my cousin.
Where does she live?
She lives near the beach.
That sounds fun.
Yes, we will relax and talk.
Are you staying overnight?
Yes, just for one night.
Enjoy your weekend.
Thank you.
Are you free tonight?
Yes, I am. Why?
Do you want to watch a movie?
That sounds nice.
What time should we go?
Maybe around 7.
Where should we meet?
At the mall entrance.
Great, see you there.
See you soon.
What do you want to do in the future?
I want to be a teacher.
Why do you want that?
I like helping people learn.
Where do you want to work?
Maybe in a small school.
Do you plan to study more?
Yes, after graduation.
That's a good plan.
Thank you.
What time is it now?
It's almost 3 o'clock.
What day is today?
Today is Monday.
What's the date today?
It's June 10th.
Do you have plans today?
Yes, I have a meeting.
At what time?
At 4 in the afternoon.
How are you feeling today?
I feel a bit tired.
Did you sleep well?
Not really. I slept late.
Are you stressed?
A little because of work.
Do you want to rest?
Yes, I think I should.
Take care of yourself.
I will, thank you.
I like your jacket.
Thank you.
The color looks great on you.
That's very kind of you.
You always dress nicely.
I try my best.
You have good taste.
I'm happy to hear that.
You look confident today.
Thanks. That means a lot.